What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. Oh shit, shit. Please don't. What the fuck? What? What the hell? Sky. Hi.
That's good.
Sky, why are you holding me? What the fuck? Shit! Girl, where's your boyfriend? Where did your boyfriend go? Come back! Okay, I'm not gonna. Your boyfriend left. Oh my god! I just wanted to check out my characters. Oh my god! What is he doing? Why is he just staring? Why is he just staring? Oh, they left.
They love me. They got caught.
Okay. Pomni. What is that? Oh my god, look, it's eternal sugar cookie.
Oh my god.
What is it?
My future baby.
Bread!
Hey, bread. Oh my god, bread. Oh my god.
Oh, I was like, bread? Who's bread?
No, Sky's back! No, Sky! Get out of here,
Where?
Sky.
Where's Sky?
Over there, over there.
No. Why is he like...
So wave, the fucking wave.
Why is he waving at each
What is wrong with you?
What is happening to Rob? Don't wait, please.
No, Sky.
Don't wait. Please don't wait. Wait.
Monkey.
Now he's going up to a child. Sky, where you going? Where are you falling? Why do you want me to go back? Go back where? I'm so cute. Oh my god, what? Why is he like bleeding? Is that supposed to be blush? Why is he bleeding? I'm gonna smirk. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Bro, and people sim over that thing.
What even is...
does that one have a whole ass background?
I don't know. Artful. That's artful?
What?
That's. Oh. I can't even tell, but that's artful.
Artful? What? Kill yourself. Oh, cute princess.
Where you going?
The princess was Astra? Sad and happy, and Jax keeps breaking her COVID mask.
COVID mask.
What?
Jack.
Bonnie. Dumb Jax scared like her Rupert. Sky, what the fuck are you doing? It's pissing me off, Sky.
No. I'm the new Sky. I'm new Sky. Hey. No! He dropped me! Why did you drop me, Sky?
Oh my gosh, she only has one eye. She's customizing, but she has one eye.
I'm dying. I'm gonna. Throw up. Let me throw prop. You're just dancing. I'm gonna throw a prop to Gangle. Let me throw a prop, please. Hello, Pomni. Sky. Why is there a big Shadow had joined. That's a lot of fandoms. I can't even read that. Dislikes XX Amy X _ XX drone TXX dot XX shadow _ EXELL XX dot XX Rin 505 XXXX Shad Cons X dot XX Sonic _ XL XX dot XX Shadacon fan 4XX. Why is there so much X? Shelly! Oh my god. No! I want to throw a prop to Shelly. Let me throw. Let me throw a prop. Oh, I'm gonna throw it at. I'm gonna throw it at. Let me throw prop, please. I want to kill you. Yes, I threw a prop. I threw it. I threw the knife at. Oh. They're trading knives, I guess. Yes. Yes, what? Give me back my knife. I'm gonna throw it. Where's Sky? Sky, why are you just... Dowie! It's Dowie. Oh my god, it's Dowie. Why is Sky blushing at Dowie? Why are you blushing at Dowie? What are you doing, Dowie? I'm so sad. Oh.
I am.
It's only for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes what? I'm gonna throw a prop at that baby. Let me throw a prop. Ugly. Kaboom. Kaboom. Kablow. What the frick is Artful? Is Artful's throwing it back. Why is he throwing it back? POV, that one person who likes your BF. Why are they just staring at each other? Gangle and Pawnee. Hi, Gangle. I'm gonna. I'm threatening Gangle.
Okay, there's Ginger, Astro,
Sky friended me. Why? I'm gonna kill the Gangle. Pawnee. Let me kill you. Pawnee. What are you doing, Pawnee? Is she turning abstracted, Pawnee? Oh no, she's abstracted! Look at Pawnee! Pawnee, no! Her eyes are changing rainbow. Pawnee. Let me cut you. Sky! Oh, Sky. Are you trying? Sky! Sky is protecting Pawnee! Sky is protecting Pawnee. Oh my god! Dude, she's abstracting. Can look! What is that? Sky. Pawnee. Oh no, Pawnee evil. Pawnee. Okay, I'm done. Oh no, she has no descriptions. EX loading. Oh, Gangle has a baby? Jax. Why is Jax stomping?
Yeah, bro. She just got her like ass beat by her sister.
Cut. No.
I'm sorry, but I have to.
Okay, fine. Oh my god.